Hi everybody, this is George again. If you want to start playing jazz chords, just play shell voicings. These voicings were pioneered by guitarists like Freddie Green and Django Reinhardt. In my first shell voicing video, I introduced the major 7th chord. You have to change one note to make it a dominant 7th chord. Just play a minor 7th instead of a major 7. Just like this: major 7, dominant 7. Let me give you an example playing all dominant 7 chords in the circle of 5th. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. And here is another example. I hope you feel like trying it out now. If you like this video, subscribe and stay tuned. Next video comes on Thursday. See you soon.